Would you try one with mayo?
I guess. That's a lot.
If you're gonna try it. Get all the items.
It's on my phone. I name it Uh-Oh Stinky.
Did those elotes yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
10 out of 10.
Remember that video?
When it fell, everything slid off.
Literally. Oh my god, I want to watch that again.
I hate when my villagers have fleas.
It just popped in my head because I used to record the sound while I was sleeping because it was like a trend on TikTok.
That's weird, dude.
It is.
That's kind of scary.
It is.
Can you get the kitchen scissors?
For celery.
What's up, guys? So today we're having aguachiles. I made them myself. There's really no pretty way to showcase this. It is green, very green. The neighbors are doing yard work. I have the mayonesa that big guy has me addicted to. I'm gonna use chips and tostadas.
How did you do this earlier? Like you ripped it in half when we tried it?
Mm-hmm.
How?
Usually I would eat this alone, but Pat saw what I was eating. And she was like, that's good. I would almost come with you. I was like, almost. Why don't you?
Mm-hmm. She was like so surprised.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
This makes it feel like a freaking fish taco. I cannot lie to you. I didn't bring it. Okay. See, look at the juice. See, it's green. I put a gang of onions because both Pack and I like onions, so. I should have cut the shrimps, huh?
Yeah.
Can you get the kitchen scissors?
For celery.
Salsa picante negra and chili tipin.
Thank you. Tell her.
Hi, Bums.
She asked what it was.
Ah, aguachiles. Wow. Pumba likes it. Surprised.
Mm-hmm.
She could have totes. Wow, this is juicy.
I know, you could have filmed with her.
Suddenly everybody likes stuff.
I think we're just impressed by everything right now.
Are you breaking tostadas too?
Uh-huh.
You can get chips, and I'll try to eat a tostada. I hate when you bite it and it breaks apart.
Oh.
I really hate that.
I'm making calzones. I made the what's it called?
Dough. Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. That's it. That's my whole story.
You always be doing that.
Yep.
Giving me like 2 seconds. Just made it like smoky. Let me try this one.
My face is so soft.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Why? What'd you do to it?
Washed it.
I expected some elaborate
No.
skincare routine. Are you still using Curology? Get that hair. Me
Yeah.
too.
I forget a lot of the time.
Oh wow.
I know.
But your face is like good.
I know.
So it's like,
Mm-hmm.
you know, like who cares?
Oh wow. How much is Curology?
$40.
Oh.
It's still,
I thought it was 50.
it's like a subscription, right?
Yeah, it's a subscription. Didn't I like use Curology before and it didn't work?
It did.
Oh, then why did I stop using it?
I don't know. It worked, and you only used like the trial one, and I don't think I could afford it or something. Probably. I mean, I'm not trying to put myself on blast, but I mean, it was what it was, and we weren't sure. You know what I mean? So it wasn't like a dire situation.
Yeah. And my face wasn't that bad then either.
Okay, this is what happened. First month it got better.
Yeah.
Second month it was like whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So we didn't really like commit. Oh. You know what I mean? Because my grandma used to pay for Proactive for her for like 2 years, and we weren't using it because it was too hard on you.
It was really like strong, and I have sensitive skin. And so, but we didn't like mean for her to keep paying. We kept trying to what's it called?
Cancel it.
And they wouldn't let us.
It would say extended 3 months, and so I would keep extending it. And then like all of a sudden it would charge her $75 again, and we'd be like, oh my God, I'm sorry, Grandma, I'm sorry. And then we like finally I argued with them like through the chat online, and then they took it off. They were like, we'll extend it to March. This was like in November. Yeah. I was like, no, now. And
like, why do they insist if I'm not using it?
Because they want you to forget, so you could pay them another $75. Like I literally
$75. Like
I literally have them in the garage right now in the box that they were shipped in. I tried to ship one back, and I don't know what happened. This is good. I'm very happy. Pat, would you try one with mayo?
I guess. That's a lot.
If you're gonna try it, try it.
Can you cut these again?
Pack hates that. She loves it. Give me your review.
It's not bad. I think it's the mayo. It's like weird, tangy.
It has lime. But I mean, so does that. So it's like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We need a slotted spoon.
Yeah.
We don't own one. You need to put it on the list.
It's in my room. Just remind me.
We make this massive list, so for the one day we go out, like every 2-3 weeks, we get all the items.
It's on my phone. I name it Uh-Oh Stinky.
Really?
Yep.
What is that about?
Because it's like, ew, gross, you gotta go out.
Wow.
I've sent it to the group chat like 80 times, remember? Uh-Oh Stinky.
Yeah. You're just annoyed by me.
No, you're making a lot of noises.
I'm sorry. I'm just ugly. We need all the sauce. This is a pound of shrimp, so you know. I think I like the crisp of these better. These? Because they're like airy.
I have to taste these.
Whoa. What the? Okay. I was looking for that. I was like, dude, those elotes yesterday? 10 out of 10. She just stole my shrimp off of the spoon.
That's funny.
Go to your room. I'm gonna try Tabasco just to throw it back. Like Peck.
I can't. Shut up.
I know. That's why I say it.
No. Feel very angry.
It's overpowering.
Yeah. Smell about 10 pounds.
We should do a leftovers video. random things that are in the fridge.
I want mashed potatoes.
I'll make you mashed potatoes properly with real tomatoes. Ooh, I should do that with the potatoes so they don't go bad.
Oh, they pretty went bad.
Not all of them. It's just the bottom.
Okay.
It's whatever is on the ground. That one got funky.
I really like mashed potatoes. I like potatoes.
You know what I like? Tostadas. But they break.
Yeah.
That's why I switched to sopes, I think.
Remember that video?
When it fell, everything slid off.
Literally. Oh my god, I want to watch that again. We should watch it. We thought it was so funny. We're probably gonna be like, dude,
So cringy.
dude, stop.
It was funny though.
It was funny.
I don't know about now. I watch videos like old, not ours, other people even. I watched the Views one today, and even her editing from last year to this year is completely different. So I think that's also us.
Even me, like, I do more chops. Because, like, I was so lightheaded that I literally had to sit down and be like, then I was like, okay, what did I not do? I didn't drink water after I worked out.
Wow. What about during?
A little bit during, but, like, before, I used to, like, literally work out and hop in the shower, and I call it a day. And I would get lightheaded in the shower. And because of the hot water and not drinking water and being hot and then just all of that. Yeah, I did that again and it was not it. And then I ate and I felt so much better. I ate so much. Well, it wasn't really that much, but it felt like a lot.
But it's okay because you work out. It's totally fine. Like, that literally puts you, like, normal.
Yeah.
And then this is, like, super light.
I work out with my dad every morning. Well, almost every morning at 7. 7. Did you know I snore in my sleep?
Mommy,
You do?
Yeah. What, Pumba?
How do you know?
the fox squirrel had fleas.
I hate when my villagers have fleas.
Please. Like,
You have to catch them.
Can you
And then they say
clean
thank you.
yourself?
Did you notice?
Yeah,
You're playing?
yeah. It's because I'm watching videos and I'm like, I have to use these right now.
anyways, it just popped in my head because I used to record the sound while I was sleeping because it was like a trend on TikTok.
That's weird, dude.
It is.
That's kind of scary.
It is. I was so scared to listen the next morning. Wait, what?
Yeah, I couldn't do that. Dude, this is so good. I can't even.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So I've always wanted surveillance within our house. But I'm too scared to
Yeah.
watch it.
Like, what if you see, like, those white images?
Just anything. I'm
Yeah.
like, no, thank you.
So, I recorded myself sleeping, and it was, like in the middle, and I...
When was this?
This was, like, a month ago,
Oh,
2 months
okay.
ago. It was, like, a spike in, like, the
The
sound.
noise?
Yeah. And it was really funny, and I was like, dude, I did not know I snored, and Puma was like, yeah. I was like...
You're like, well then. Wipe it with a towel for me. My whole boob.
I like boobs.
Oh. Me too. I mean, you ain't lying. Oh.
Are y'all... Is that wrong to ask? Boob or a butt man?
Are you boob man or ass man?
What are you? You're boob, right?
Uh-huh.
I'm both. I can't pick one.
Mm-hmm.
Boob.
Okay. I like butts,
Me too.
but like, I like boobs.
Boobs are just...
Is this wrong? This conversation right now?
I don't know.
I wasn't trying to have it. It
Sorry.
just kind of happened. Like, I like a good butt.
But can't go wrong.
But I don't want to be. Don't take offense.
I'm not taking offense.
Better not. I have big boobs. That's why. So like,
I don't have big boobs.
so I have big boobs, right? So like, I envy girls with butts, like huge, like cute butts. I have a butt, but it's just not the kind of butt I would want. Like, I'm low key. I've been watching BBL videos for like 3 weeks. Yeah, I've been. That's the same. That's the thing that I told you. They take the fat out of your body and they throw it in your butt. I'm like, what better way? 2 birds, 1 stone. Back said it yesterday. You said it. I was there. So maybe I might could do that. I got time. It's not that expensive. Oh.
You good?
Oh. I'm like, I have something to say. Okay. So I've always wanted like a boob lift, right? But if I was going to have more kids, I didn't want to do it. And then like screw them up and start over again. I don't think it would. Because they say you could have kids after you do it. But I don't know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'd want to be sure.
Yeah. Research it.
Research.
Is it true that when you pierce your nipples, you can't breastfeed?
That would be awkward for a baby.
No, you take it out. I'm saying,
I don't know. Does it cut off the flow?
That's what I'm saying.
I have no idea.
Oh.
I'm not educated in that. We just got real intense.
Sorry.
Boobs. Boob talk.
Yeah. Remember when I asked Daddy and he was playing, he just said it? What did he say?
Boobs.
He said boobs, okay.
I'm like... Because I ain't got enough ass to back that ass up.
He was playing, and so he was just like...
He was in
autopilot.
Yeah.
And so I asked him, and he was like, boob. And he was like... like he turned like...
He didn't mean to answer her.
Yeah.
Even I said out loud, I said, oh my god, I can't believe you answered. And he's like, I didn't even realize, like, I just answered. I was like, freaking back. You should be like, Daddy, can I have $1,000? He'd be like, yeah.
Well,
That's mommy. I like that TikTok where, Mom, can I get this backpack for school? It's a Louis Vuitton backpack.
Oh.
She's like, okay, thank you, Mom. Oh my god, thank you. And she's like, no, I said no. And she puts yes.
Yeah, because
oh my god.
She changed the autocorrect in her
over and
phone.
over.
There's no more shrimp, is there?
There's some right here. Couple 50. I don't even need shrimp.
I like shrimp.
Look. That's a lot. I'm gonna have to change.
Yep. I'm full. I'm full.
I could totes add more shrimp to this. I might just could.
I think you should.
It's a good snack. You better not even say it's not a snack because it totes is.
This actually is a snack.
Wow. You agree with me?
Yeah, because it's like when you're on the beach in Acapulco and you grab this real quick, you know what I mean? Yeah.
I'm gonna call Grandma and Grandpa, tell them, hey, what's up? Why didn't you tell me the mayo thing? My whole life.
Oh.
Yeah, because like so many people eat it like that, and even people were like, dude, I don't understand how you didn't know. And I'm just like, that's my grandparents. I have no idea.
Maybe you shouldn't tell them because Grandpa will go and buy it.
Because Grandma called all excited saying she was going to make her recipe last Friday.
Oh.
So I messaged her to let her know.
What was I going to say? Oh, that was yesterday morning, man.
What?
I was going to say this morning, I walked into their room at 7
Yesterday.
to work out. Yeah. And he was still asleep, and so I laid on top of her, and Celine was there, and it was so cute. And then my dad went back to sleep. We didn't work out.
The end. That's the story. You ever just want to dump your whole house into the trash? Cause me too. One more chip, cause this mayo got me. I'm like, do I have to eat calzone today? I'm ready for.
Yeah.
Color your chonies.
Black.
Me too.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
No, they're green.
Oh.
Mine
We
are
just
green.
switched?
Mine are green.
Okay. I just changed my chonies like
Mm-hmm.
before this video. They're black.
Mine are green.
High-waisted, they're so cute.
Ribbed.
So ribbed. Anyways, let me know the color of your chonies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.